G'day, Footy fans, and welcome. Get ready to dive into a version of Aussie Rules where superstars aren't born on the grass, but from the roll of a die. This, mates, is the AFT Dice League, where everything, and I mean everything, is left to pure, beautiful chance.
So, let me ask you something. What if you took all the stuff you reckon makes footy, well, footy, and just got rid of it? I'm talking no players, no dodgy weather, no pages and pages of stats. What's even left? Is that still our game?
Well, what you're left with is the AFT Dice League, and it's the home of sheer, unadulterated chaos. This whole thing proves that the real heart of the game, that raw drama, the absolute unpredictability, it's all still there.
Yeah, think of it as a purely probabilistic playground. It's a system that takes Aussie rules and strips it right back to its bones. All the outcomes, they're decided only by the roll of a die. That's it. No ifs, no buts.
Right, so you're probably wondering, how on earth does this chaos actually work? How do a few dice rolls turn into footy scores? Let's get into it.
Okay, so it's actually pretty simple. You've got your 4 quarters, just like a normal game. First, you roll the dice to see how many scoring shots each team gets. Then, and this is the crucial part, you roll again for every single one of those shots to see if it's a goal or just a behind. Easy as that.
And what this does is create this incredible high-stakes feel on every single shot. It's like a gamble, you know? A team could be dominating, getting shot after shot, but if the accuracy dice just aren't on their side, poof, it all means nothing. It's absolute agony 1 minute, pure ecstasy the next. And look, if you want proof, here it is. The Season 11 Grand Final was an absolute thriller. You've got the GWS Giants with 35 scoring shots. That's 7 more than the Gold Coast Suns. Now, in a real game, you'd put your house on the Giants winning from there, right? But not here. The Suns' dice were just hotter for accuracy, and they pinched the flag by 3 points. Unbelievable.
So, I know what you're thinking. This is just pulling numbers out of a hat, isn't it? Well, not quite. There's actually a pretty clever engine behind all this unpredictability. Let's take a look under the hood.
Would you believe the whole thing is powered by Google Sheets? Yep, it just uses the RAND function, which is basically a perfect digital 6-sided die. It means every single roll is totally transparent. Then a few clever formulas track the scores quarter by quarter, so we get to see these insane momentum swings as they happen.
And because it's all down to chance, the scores can get absolutely wild. We're talking high-scoring bloodbaths. You can forget your dour 60-all draws. Here, teams are smashing the 100-point barrier all the time. It's just full-on attack, non-stop.
And to put that into perspective, what do you reckon the all-time scoring record for one match is? It's a massive 285. 285. That's the kind of crazy scoring we're dealing with here.
You see, in this league, history isn't written by the powerhouse clubs or the big dynasties. Nah, it's written by the dice. And what that means is every team, every single team, has a real shot. And we've seen it happen. The league kicked off in 2021, and we've already had these incredible miracle runs. In Season 11, we had finalists come from way back in the pack. Then in Season 12, North Melbourne, a total underdog, just stunned everyone. It proves that it doesn't matter where you are on the ladder, on the day, you can win. So yeah, it's a world of hot dice, unbelievable draws, and bracket-busting underdogs. It's built for those you had to be there moments. So what's the big deal? What's the real heart of the AFD Dice League? Let's talk about why this is so bloody compelling.
It really boils down to this one idea, which is just brilliant. It's this constant tension between being resilient and being fragile. And this is where the bounce-back ability comes in. Think about it. A team can get absolutely humiliated 1 week. I mean, a proper thumping, where nothing goes right. But then the very next week, that randomness, that variance, can flip completely, and they can come out and dominate. It's the ultimate story of redemption, and it happens over and over again. So really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to witness footy at its most unpredictable, at its most chaotic? Are you ready for this?
If that's a yes, then you know exactly what to do. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button to keep up with all the chaos. You can find us on YouTube. Just search for the AFT Dice League. Come on, join the fun.